my dear customer, this is Anna from Landpack. We specialize in packing machine and filling machine line over 17 years. Today, let me show you one of our customized for the Doypack Retort bag for the granule and the liquid filling machine line to you. This packing machine line is suitable for the granule and the liquid mixing together in one bag. This is for the Retort bag, and this is for the finished bag. The speed it is around for 20 to 25 bags per minute. So let's see this part one by one. Okay, this is for the first part is for the bag sorting and also bag feeding part. This can be adjustable, and after that they were picked up by the suction cups to pick up the bag, empty bag here. And the second station, it is just for the date printer. So this is a finished bag. It can do max 3 lines. For the third one, this is for the open of this bag. You can see this is bag open from the top and bottom. And during the bag open, they will have an air balloon function to open the bag widely. This is for the eye mark sensor. If bag it is not opened successfully, there will be no filling. This station is filling for the granule like the rice inside. And the next part you can see, this is for 2 filling nose, because they are filling from my end customer is for oil and also water filling in one bag. So you can see this is 2 filling nose with anti-nose design. Let's see clearly. So you can see this have 2 storage tanks. One it is just with 2 pistons, and for feeding by the feeding pump. And the second here, it is that with heater and stir device for another liquid filling inside. This is 1 piston. And the second liquid filling is by this rotor pump. It is for high viscosity liquid inside. This is the electronic control box here. And after that, this station, it is just for air balloon for some dirty products. It is around this bag mouth. You can see this also have this support chain. Why need this support chain? Because end customers, it have the 2.5 kg bag. So it will be very big. So need to support it with this during the running of this machine. Okay, this is this station. It is just for the sealing part, and also you can see this have a tube here. This tube you can go with the nitrogen insert function during the sealing, and also this is for the sponge air device. Sponge air means your bag during the sealing it will let some air go out, and then the last station, it will be the second sealing. It just makes the sealing of the bag more beautiful. And after that, the bags will go out with this collection table here. So all our projects is customized for our end customer. Let's see how the granule filling. Follow me. This is a Z-type animator. So you can filling for your rice, beans, granules by this Z-type animator. And on the upper, they will have the multi-head weir. So this is for the 10-head, 2.5 liters hopper for the wheeling scales. This is for the eye mark sensor. If there is no raw material coming, they will give the signal to the PLC to give the feeding of the rice automatically. And after that, this is a collection hopper. And after that, this is a weighing scale hopper. After compilation for your target grams, we will go with the filling to the first granule filling position. So this is how to do the granule wheeling. Okay, that's the last question, and the customers will ask this. They have this big bag and they have this small bag. How to compilation using in this one rotary pack machine? So let's see here. You can see they have that bag weight adjustment. So you just measuring for the bag weight and place a number, or you just press this, that bag weight to enlarge and bag weight to be narrow. So this is very easy to adjustable for different bag weights on the touch screen. And this machine we adopted with Siemens PLC and the Siemens touchscreen. All our machine will have 2 years warranty and 1 year's warranty for the main frame. So if you have any other inquiries and new orders, you can contact us at below websites. We are always here, create menu for our customers. Bye-bye.